Hello guys, today we work with the page number 112. 112. Let me show you. Okay, 112, and we have these shapes and numbers. We have to count, color, and match. Okay, so we are going to count 1, 2 circles and find the number 2. Where is the number 2? Oh, there is the number 2. Okay, well, let's match number 2. Let me grab a color. Let me grab the color green. 2. This goes here. There we go. And I'm gonna color the circles green too. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, let's color green. Now, let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Where's the number 5? Oh, okay, there is number 5. Let's match the triangles with the number 5. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3 squares. Let's find number 3. There is number 3. There is. Ready. Okay, let's count the diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 diamonds. And we have number 4 over here. And let's match. Let's go. That's it. Now, just color the shapes and we're ready to go. Bueno, eso fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Espero que por ahí terminen su trabajo y por ahí los espero el día de mañana. See you later, guys. Bye bye.